Hi guys, Teacher Jesse and Will. We're about to do a science experiment using shapes.
Yep.
We have some foam shapes here and we have built a, what is this, Will?
A ramp.
A ramp. And we're gonna see how these shapes move down the ramp. Okay, Will, go ahead. Let's see what shape. So you can show them the shape.
Rectangle and then
Let's see how it moves. Does it roll or slide?
slide.
Slide. Okay, rectangle, slide. What about this? What's next?
Triangle.
Okay, roll or slide?
Slide.
Slide.
Okay, let's try square next. Square.
Okay, roll or slide?
Slide.
Slide. It slides. It doesn't roll. Okay, keep going.
I have no clue what shape this is, but yeah, it's slide.
Slide. Okay. What's
And
next?
this, if we so, it's a slide basically. And this slide. Got my face. And then this thing, it's a slide.
So what pattern
We
have you
did all
noticed?
of them. They're all slides basically.
So what shapes slide?
Ones with flat surfaces.
Ones with flat surfaces slide. Okay, what about a sphere? What will it do?
Take the big one. It rolls down.
It rolls. Okay, try a different sphere.
All right. This one's spiky.
Rolls. Okay, what else?
Look, I can hold it.
Sphere, sphere,
Oh
sphere.
no, the tower. I'm gonna roll the world down. Right.
It rolls.
One more spike.
So all the spheres are rolling so far.
It rolls. I don't actually hit the green one.
Yeah, it did. Okay, so Will, explain to our friends what we learned from this science experiment. Here you go.
Flat surfaces on ramps slide and spheres on ramps roll. Yeah, basically that.
So Will, if you were trying to get something to roll, what shape would you use?
And a sphere. You should try this experiment at home. Yeah.
Awesome. See you guys later. Bye.
Bye. One of my favorite things to do with balls is... Ow!